Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is pork lumpia Shanghai. Yes, that's right. So today I'm going to show you how to make pork lumpia Shanghai, plus we're gonna give this magic roller a try. So it is called a magic roller, magic vegetable or meat roller. So basically what it does is it's gonna help you make your lumpia wrapping easy. So if you wanted to learn how to make pork lumpia Shanghai, as well as you're interested to know if this one works, please keep on watching. Now let's get on with the ingredients. Ground pork, carrots, white onions, eggs, green onions, garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and lumpia wrapper. Alright, so we're done making our lumpia mixture. So now we're ready to do some wrapping. So here's our magic roller again. As I've mentioned before on my previous video, if you're getting a product from Shopee, most of the time you're not gonna get a manual. So we need to figure out how to do this. But basing on the picture that I saw on the Shopee website, I just have a little bit of an idea on how it works. But of course, we're gonna give it a try the first time here. So here it is. So what we're gonna do basically is we need to put our lumpia wrapper here, just like that. And then of course, we're going to scoop our mixture and we put it right here. So all we need to do is just to push this. You have to hold this one here and then push it all the way in the front. And there it goes. You just have, it's not so like tightly sealed, so you have to actually get it and then, you know, do some tweaking, and then you have to seal it with water or some egg whites. enjoy watching this video. And for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. So if you're interested to get this product, you can buy this from Shopee, and I will put the link on this video description. By the way, this is just for 168 pesos. And again, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that little bell so you'll get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And just in case you wanted to check out Masflix cookware and kitchenware products, I will also add their link on this video description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!
Masflix cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.